What's up everybody, Landon with LMR.com. Today I'll be taking a quick look at this clutch cable retaining clip from 5.0 Resto, designed for the manually equipped 1979 to 2004 Mustangs. Alright guys, this clutch cable retaining clip from industry leader 5.0 Resto features metal construction and is the correct size and shape to properly retain your clutch cable. This retaining clip is oftentimes missing from cars and will cause unwanted clutch cable movement. The clip itself slides into the small groove on the clutch cable right after the cable passes through the bell house. Installation is very easy and will only require the driver's side front to be supported by a jack and jack stand. You want to align the clip with the small groove in the cable and then apply pressure to fully seat the clip. To see more how-to and review videos covering industry-leading products, be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like this video and don't forget to turn on notifications. While you're at it, check out our other videos and don't forget to shop LMR.com for all things 1979 to present Mustang and SVT Light.